Hi, Explain That here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to stop Apple Music from playing automatically when Bluetooth is connected. Make sure you stay to the end of the video so you don't miss any important steps. And make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. First thing we're going to do is go to the settings. So press settings and then scroll down until you see general. Press general. And then the next one, we need AirPlay and handoff. So press that one. And the one we need is in the middle. So handoff lets you start something on one device and instantly pick it up on other devices using iCloud account. So if you toggle this button off, it will not automatically make a Bluetooth connection with another device. So this is how you stop Apple Music from playing automatically when Bluetooth is connected.